So today we'll discuss about the transportation problem in the linear programming. So if you go to miscellaneous, question number 6 you see the miscellaneous exercise, that is your exercise chapter 12, question number 6. So question number 6 is two go downs A and B, two downs A and B have grain capacity of 100 quintals and 50 quintals. Respectively. Okay. Then the supply of 3 ration shops, they supply to 3 ration shops DEF whose requirements are are 60, 50, 40 quintals respectively. Okay. Then the cost of transportation, per quintal from the godowns to the shops, are given in the following table. Okay. So lengthy question doesn't matter. See the transportation cost. That is transportation cost per quintal in rupees, given from to A, B, from to where D, E, F. This is 6, 4, 3, 2, 2.5083. Cost means transportation from A to D is 6, A to B, A to E is 3, A to F is 2.50, B to D, B to E, B to F are given. Okay, what I have to do here is, how should the supply be transported? How should the supply be transported? In order that the transportation cost is minimum. The transportation cost is minimum. Okay. Anyhow, question I have given. Let's talk about this. There are two godowns. Okay. Let's make two godowns. Godown A, godown B. A and B, 3 shops, A, D, E, F. So let's make this B here. Capacity of A, what is the capacity? The 100 quintals. This is 50 quintals, means capacity. D is here, E is here, F is here. Requirement for DEF means they need 60 quintals. This is 50 quintals. This is 40 quintals. Their requirement. Okay, cost now. Cost A to D. A to D cost is 6 rupees. A to E is 3 rupees. A to F 2.50. Okay. Then here similarly cost from B to D 4, B to E is 2, B to F is 3, and you are asked to find what should be the transportation order, so the cost will be minimum. Actually we don't know how much A is getting from here. Suppose supply from A to D is suppose X. This will be greater than 0. Quantity A to E. A to E, that is Y. Means here you are giving X, here you are giving Y. Got the point? Then what will be A to F? It had capacity of 100. X quintal given here, Y quintal given here. Remaining will go here. What is remaining? 100 minus X plus Y. So A to F 100 minus X plus Y. So here I am tell you this is also greater than 0. The 100 minus X plus Y is also greater than 0. Quantity has to be positive. This implies 100 is greater than equal to X plus Y, or you can say X plus Y less than equal to 100. First linear constant you got. X plus Y less than 100. Okay, back to this. if x quintal given here, requirement is 60, so from B to D will be how much? Supply from B to D. Supply from B to D. If 60 required, x has come from here, that means 60 minus x will go from here. Because requirement is 60, x has come from here. So from here 60 minus will go, that will be 60 minus x, which is greater than 0, implies 60 greater than x or x less than 60. Equation 2. Y you have got here, then requirement is 50. So what is B to E? From B to E, requirement is 50, Y has come. So how much is required? 50 minus C, 50 minus Y. That is Y is less than 50. Equation number 3. This is 50 minus Y. Okay, now 60 minus x you gave here, 50 minus y you gave here. The remaining will go to this one. So remaining will go from B to F, from B to F. How much it will be? B has how much? B has capacity 50. So from there 60 minus x you gave here, 50 minus y you gave here, that will be greater than 0. That means 50 minus 60 plus x minus 50 plus y greater than 0. So this is cancelled. This is minus 60 plus x greater than 0. Okay, so x is greater than 60. Cannot be. Where is the mistake you have done there? Check the question. Requirement of 60, 50, 40. Okay, 50 minus 60 plus x, then minus 50 plus y greater than 0, then you are getting x is greater than 60. X so supplied here, x cannot be greater than 60. Other way will come, that is x given here, from here you want to go. This is given 60 minus x. This is requirement 50, y has come, 50 minus y. The remaining is 150 quintals. Okay, if you are right here, x is greater than equal to 60. 4. Other way also you can do. 40 required here. 40 required here. 100 minus x plus y has come here. The remaining will be, you can do on the other way. Let us see what is the answer coming. Requirement from B to F. Requirement is how much? 40 minus 100. Oh, the mistake was here. It was correct, sorry. That was correct, sorry. 50 minus 60 minus x plus 50 minus y greater than 0 implies this was from B to F. B to F. So 50 minus 60 plus X minus 50 plus Y. I was forgetting this one. 50 cancelled. So you are getting X plus Y greater than equal to 60. Okay. Now what you will find out? This became X plus Y greater than 60. Or you can write X plus Y minus 60 greater than 0. Okay, now cost. Minimize. Minimum cost. Minimum cost. Minimum cost means Z. How? 1 quintal is costing 6. X quintal will be 6x. 3y plus 2.50 into 100 minus x plus y. Then plus 60 minus x into 4. Plus 50 minus y into 2 plus x plus y minus 60 into 3. Okay, so total cost look at here. So Z became 6x plus 3y 6x plus 3y 2.5 into 100 here, sorry, 250 minus 2.5x minus 2.5y plus 240 minus 4x, then 100 minus 2y, then 3x plus 3y minus 108. So what will you find? Look at 6x minus 4x, 2x. Okay, 2x plus 3x, 5x minus 2.5x. So Z equals to 2.5x. This one. Then 3y plus 3y, 6y. 6y minus 2y. 4y minus 2.5y. 1.5y. Z 250 plus 100, 350 plus 350, 240, 590 minus 180, 380. This is what you have to minimize. Okay, let's make the graph of this. What is the first equation? 100x plus y is greater than x plus y less than 100. This one. X plus y less than 100. Very simple. What is the table of this? 0, 100, 100, 0, less than 0, constant, towards the region is towards the origin. Already I have discussed, is towards the origin. Okay, this is 60 minus x greater than 0, 50 minus y greater than 0. Okay, then this one x plus y greater than 60. x plus y greater than 60. That is coming that side. Let's do here. X plus y greater than 60. X, y, 0, 60, 60, 0. Constant greater than, region is away from origin. The region is away from origin. Okay. Then 60 minus x greater than 0, 60 greater than x, x less than 60. So at the 60 you will draw a line, you will come this side. Then x less than 60. Okay. Then 50 minus y greater than 0, 50 greater than y. Z was how much? 2.5x, 1.5y, I think 380. Y is less than 50. Graph you see here, 160. Okay. Take 10 units. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Little from this side we have to take, I think. Take from here. This is origin. 10, 20, 30, 40, or 20 units you can take. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Choice is ours. Doesn't matter. 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. This is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. First is 0, 100, 100, 0. So this line, this is x plus y less than 100. Okay, towards origin, keep it in the mind like this. Then 0, 60, 60, 0. This is away from origin, this side. You can write the equation x plus y greater than 60. Remember, this line area this side, this line area that side. Then at 60, this is x is less than 60. Less than means this side, this side. Then 50. 50 is somewhere here. 50. Y is less than 50. Mean this side. So what is the area you got? This is the region you got. A, B, C, D. Corner points. Okay, what are the corner points you got here? Corner points A. A is how much? I have to come back here. 0, 60. 0, 60. If I come this point D, 60, 0. The problem is how to find B and C. B and C you can find out from your graph paper. Here I will solve for you. How to solve? This is the intersection of x plus y less than 100 and y greater than, less than 50. That means y is 50, x is 50. So B point will be 50, 50. You can find out from graph. C now. C is intersection of this line 60 and x plus y. X plus y less than 100. X is less than 60. The y will be 40. So C point is 60, 40. 4 points you got. Let's put them in the table. Z will be this is corner points. Z equals to 2.5x 1.5y plus 380. Okay, A 0, 60. So Z will be 0 means 0, 1.5 into 60 plus 380. How much? This is 90, 380 and 90, 470. Okay, then comes up B, suppose 50, 50, Z equals to 2.5 into 50, 1.5 into 50 plus 380. How much you got? 125, 75, 380. 380, 200. How much? 580. Then comes up C 60, 40. Z equals to 2.5 into 60, 1.5 into 40, 380. How much you got? 150, 60, 380. 380, 210, 590. Then D 60, 0. Check this value actually. Anyhow, 2.5 into 60 plus 0 plus 380. 150 plus 380. That gives you 530. Actually minimum cost is which one? This is coming na? Minimum cost is 470 and x transportation is 0, y transportation is 60. Actually this will not be valid. So we might have done some mistake with this calculation. See, there is a problem with the board. You are rubbing it again and again. So you check it. Z is how much? I think either of this will come. Either this will come or this will come. That you can find out. Because this should not be the answer. Either this one or this one should be the answer. Okay. So this chapter is finished. Next class we will start revision.